Hello guys, I'm Zameer from TechInformer and today I have come back with a brand new video. Guys, before getting into the video, let me wish you a happy new year to you and your family. Without wasting further time, let's get started into the video. This video is about rooting your smartphone without custom recovery. Many of my viewers have successfully unlocked Bootloader, but due to lack of custom recoveries, they have stopped rooting their phones. Today I have brought a solution for you. By this method, you can definitely root your smartphone without using any custom recoveries. Guys, I have made this video into 3 parts. In first part, I am going to explain about requirements and installation. In second part, I have covered procedure and the sources. Third part is totally on flashing. If you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe and hit on this bell icon for future updates. Guys, you have to unlock Bootloader for rooting your device. For Oppo and Realme devices, you have to install in-depth test application. For other devices, you can definitely skip this step. After that, you have to enable USB debugging, for which open settings and tap on build number 10 times, in which you have to enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. Just scroll down and select default USB configuration as MTP. Download and install all the required files from the link in the description. If you have already installed drivers, then cross-check that you have installed the drivers properly. Along with ADB and Fastboot drivers, you need platform tools and your phone USB drivers. Do not worry, all the links I am providing in the description box below. Just follow the video and install USB and Fastboot drivers. Just click on Y and select next. After that, it will install automatically. Just click on finish. After that, you have to boot your phone into Fastboot. Just open platform tools folder and search for CMD. Then command prompt will open automatically. Just execute the command as Fastboot devices and hit enter. After that, it will show a code name indicating that your device is connected successfully. Guys, if it's stating that waiting for device, that means you have to install the drivers properly. Just install the drivers again, or you can update drivers. For unlocking Bootloader, you need to execute the command as Fastboot flashing unlock. Guys, after that you can see your device Bootloader is unlocked successfully. Guys, as I have already unlocked my Bootloader, so it is showing that already unlocked. Guys, after that a dialog box will appear on your screen. Just click on volume down button and select to unlock. After that, your data will be completely wiped and your phone will reboot automatically. Open Google Chrome and search for support Realme software update. Guys, do not worry, I am providing the website links in the description box below. Open first search result. Just scroll down, you can see there are number of devices. Select your device. I'm using Realme X2 Pro, so I'm selecting my device. After selecting your device, you need to verify that your phone version and your OZip version must be same. Then download OZip file. If you're using a Oppo device, then you have to visit Oppo website, in which you have to select model number and select your device, then download the OZip file. Guys, if you are using any Xiaomi, Poco or Redmi devices, then you have to visit MI community, in which download firmware of your device. Guys, for Xiaomi devices, download the extracted firmware in images folder. You can see boot.img file. Guys, for Oppo, Realme and Vivo devices, just extract OZip file. You can find boot.image file over here. Just copy and paste boot.img file into your phone storage. Then you need Magix Manager. Just open this web page, scroll down and download Magix Manager APK. After installing Magix Manager application, just open and click on install, in which you have to untick recovery mode and click on method. Select option as select a patch file. As a patch file, you have to select boot.img file as you have copied in your internal storage. Just long press and click on select. After selecting, it will load for some time. After that, the flashing process will start up. Guys, you can see flashing process has been started and it will create a patched file in your phone storage. After completion of flashing process, just click on save button. Boot your phone into Fastboot mode. Note: unlocking Bootloader will completely wipe your data. So before unlocking, take complete backup of your phone.
Just copy the patched file and paste it in Platform Tools folder. After opening command prompt, just execute the command as Fastboot devices and hit on enter. Then rename patched image as magix_patch.image. Then execute the command as fastboot/boot magix_patch.image and click on enter. You have successfully patched the image. Just open Magix and you can see Magix is successfully installed. For confirming root, download and install root checker application, and guys, you can see your device is successfully rooted.
Guys, my next video will be on porting TWRP recovery for your phone. Guys, if you found this content informative, then a subscribe to my channel will be massively appreciated. That's it for today. Love you all. This is Zameer signing off. Catch you in my next video.